Hey friends, in this class, we are going to learn how to create a hacking lab and install Kali Linux. Now, you probably already know about Kali Linux. It's a Linux based operating system that comes with a lot of pre installed security and testing tools. That's why many people call it a hacker's OS. So, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and run Kali Linux. First, let's download it. Go to your browser and search Kali Linux download. Open the official website. The best part, it's free and open source. You can choose any version you want, installer version or live version, no installation needed. In this video, I'll show you the live version which you can run directly. Download the 64-bit version and you can use a torrent or direct download. Once the download is complete, you'll have the Kali Linux file ready. Now let's move to VirtualBox. Open VirtualBox and click on New. Give your machine a name like Kali or Hacking Lab. Select type Linux. Version Linux 6 4-bit. Click Next. Now choose how much RAM you want to give. If you have 8 gigabytes RAM, you can give 2 gigabytes or 3 gigabytes or more if your system allows. Then click Next. Now create a virtual hard disk. Select VDI. Choose dynamically allocated. Set size like 30 32 gigabytes. Click Create. Now go to settings of your virtual machine. Open storage. Click on empty. Then select your downloaded Kali Linux ISO file. Also, make sure required system settings are enabled. Everything is properly configured. Now click Start. The system will begin booting. Select Kali Linux Live. Wait a few seconds and boom, Kali Linux will start running on your system. Now, if your screen looks small, here's how to fix it. Go to settings inside Kali, open display settings, change the resolution like 1920x1080, click apply. Now your screen will look full and clear. That's it. You successfully run Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Now you can use it to practice, test, and learn safely. In the next video, I'll show you basic commands, how the system works, and more practical stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.